XLCubed supports different display types for slicers, as you can see on the screen. When you first add a slicer on a grid, the default is the tree view, where you can navigate down through different levels and select the item that you would like to choose. To change that to an alternative view type, we simply right-click on the slicer and select Edit. We can then choose if we would like a combo box, a list box, buttons, or a member selector. These are the standard display types. We then have some behaviour options, such as allowing multi-select or outputting the selection to a cell, and also, in terms of appearance, whether we would like to show a title bar. The member selector slicer, as the name suggests, brings up a full screen member selector where I can select elements and I can then control the display order by rearranging them here. And I also have a search function at the top. So it's the full member selector dialog, but presented in a very space efficient way. The combo box is a simple drop down where you can select the item or items you would like to see. If I edit the combo box, and this is also true for list boxes and buttons, you will need to define what the user is able to select. So you specify their choice by moving their selection over to the right hand side of the screen. In these types of slicers, they don't have the ability to navigate down through the tree, so you must pre-populate what the user choice should be, in this case a dynamic selection based on the level. List boxes are very similar to combo boxes, except more than choice is presented on the screen at any given time. Again, these can be multi-select enabled. And lastly, buttons, which can take up more space, but where the number of selections is limited, this can work very well as they are very instantaneous. Buttons can simply be resized by changing the layout of the control itself, and you can also vary the size of the buttons by altering the size of the first button. They will always shrink and resize to fit the overall size of the control. So they are the available slicer types within the product, and it's really a case of what's the best fit for your use case.